Guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Westfield, New Jersey. Just completed an installation of a custom Neoangle. Now this one's a little more unique than a typical Neoangle, as this is only two pieces. And also we've installed the door hinged onto the angled wall, or at least the saddle's angled and the wall is perpendicular to the bathroom, I guess you can say. So what we've done here is by using adjustable hinges. Now, of course, the door will be able to go all the way back. And the door naturally wants to sit at a angled position, hence the adjustable hinges. There are the occasions where I do estimates for this type of enclosure, and sometimes the client says that a few other glass companies said this couldn't be done. Well, here's proof it can be, and it's done by us, Exceptional Glass. So if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call at 888-83 Glass or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.